Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the slide background image or picture on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the slide background image or picture on your WPS presentation mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a document here. I'm just going to add some of the document here. So I just need to change the background. So directly you can just click on this picture, we just need to do this as a background. Click on this option and you will see an option on the bottom section called set as background. Click on this, which actually have to crop this image, and click on the crop option. It automatically set on step background. Otherwise, click on this option icon on the bottom section, just scroll down and just go inside the design. So just go inside a design. Now you will see an option called image background on the bottom section. Click on the select from album and click this. Select the image. You can see now image has been selected, and you can just crop the image and click on the crop option, which actually set this. And if you just want to apply for all, click on the say apply to all slides, which will apply the same image to the all slide. If you just added a new slide, click on this icon and just click on this apply to all slide, which automatically applies to all slide. This is how you just it's work. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.